Hello, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of Windows 10 to guide you on finding your computer's MAC address. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Let's get started. To locate your MAC address, begin by clicking on the Windows Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, type CMD on your keyboard to open the command prompt. Simply select the best match, and we're ready to proceed. Now, in the command prompt, you'll need to type a single line of text. Type getMac/v/faux list and hit enter. This will display a list of several devices, each with its own physical address, which is your MAC address. As you can see, the physical address for each device is your MAC address. If you're connected through Wi-Fi, find the MAC address for that device. For Ethernet or Bluetooth, locate the respective physical address. Simple, right? Once you've found your MAC address, you can close the command prompt. And there you have it, that's how you find your MAC address on a Windows 10 PC. So, that wraps up our tutorial on discovering your MAC address on Windows 10. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you. Check the description for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.